This is where I want to go at $1,000. Let's observe. Yes, dear friends, $830 a minute. We're going to try to go one step further in our 100 to 100,000 challenge. Come on, another win, dear friends. Congratulations.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.
Hi friends, this is me, Liya, and welcome to my YouTube channel. What? Do you want me to post more, but you haven't subscribed to my Telegram channel yet? Guys, yes, you know what to do. There I share absolutely free signals and publish them for you. Everything is so simple. So go and see beautiful Liya. By the way, it's me. So the signal, try it out, and earn some cash with me. By all means, be sure to go to the link in the description. I'm gonna check it. Alright, continuing confidently go to $100,000, and yes, they're so close I can feel them. Want a new trading strategy and want to make a profit? Then here are, especially for you, Bollinger Bands and RSI. I will describe them for you in detail so you don't miss anything. But just before we start, don't forget to give me some likes because they are so important for me, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's go. Here we go. Today we will trade with you also on Quotex platform, and I will tell you about two very cool tools. The first one is the Bollinger Bands indicator. And I will immediately change the settings to 15. Here we put 2, and I advise you to do the same things. And the second tool will be our well-known oscillator RSI. So we have chosen, and I will comment on each of my actions in real trading so as not to go too deep into the theory, why enter the trade that way. And today, as usual, we're going to try to go one step further in our 100 to 100,000 challenge. Okay, give me like this. Today, I've set a plan for myself to make, well, around 10,000. I'm going to start today with 1,000. The first deal, I will also immediately for $1,000, 1 minute time frame, and currency pairs with high profitability with a large percentage of payments. I have already prepared, as you can see. Okay, let's get started. Let's stay on this currency pair, euro and dollar. What we see is that the RSI indicator is moving down. The bear red candle, last we have crossed the middle line. I think this is not a bad entry point. We need to catch the candle. Yes, good, great entry point into the trade, just like this. I also want to note that the lines in our Bollinger corridor, he went to a contraction, then the expansion of the corridor began, and the candle from the upper area, bear, broke through the middle line of our red line and went down here in this area. Now let's go back to our chart and wait for the end of the trade. And yes, dear friends, $830 a minute. The first deal, I'm very happy.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.
I suggest we continue this currency pair. So far, everything's obvious here. What we see next, so we have the RSI chart going down to the support level. The price, as you can see, fails and crosses the Bollinger line lower. Everything is going down. I think that's a good signal that price will push back now on both the RSI chart and the Bollinger line and go up. This is where I want to go in at $1,000. Let's observe.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.
Okay, let's fix the profit again, dear friends. Anyways, we should expect $830 to our deposit.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.
Now, dear friends, I suggest to switch to another currency pair on another chart with a high percentage payout of 90% on this currency pair. What do you think? And so what do we see here? Here's a similar situation. We have the price chart going, and as you can see in the lower Bollinger corridor from the middle to the bottom line. But what do we see on the RSI chart? The indicator is an overbought zone. It has broken the resistance line. Consequently, I assume that at this point, the bullish candle, which is bull, should now push away from the middle line and continue to move in this lower corridor. Well, the RSI chart to return to its previous state and return to its previous corridor. We are waiting for a successful entry into the market, and I think now is the right time. Let's go in at $2,000 and wait for this trade to end.
I'm all the way up. All the way up. All the way up.
Come on, another win, dear friends. Congratulations, what a great day today. What great trades today.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up. All the way up.
Let's continue here. Let's continue on the same currency pair because it has, I will remind you, a 90% return, which is quite good. Let's now analyze and break down our situation. We see that the RSI chart hasn't yet returned to the corridor. It's the overbought zone. The trend is still bullish. Also on the chart, I would like to point out that the indicator Bollinger Bands, the bullish candle is big with a big body, and the price is moving into the upper corridor from the middle line to the high green. Okay, see here that there was an narrowing in the corridor. The RSI wants to, we have it moving in the upper zone of the chart as well. I think it's worth waiting now to see if our candle will reverse. Wait for it to update. It's worth paying attention to the candlesticks that appear now. We see a bear candle with a big shadow, which is an uncertain candle or uncertainty candle. I think even a bull candle will appear now. Yes, this is definitely a good time to enter a trade specifically on the upside. The bears are uncertain and the RSI chart is also high. Going in at $4,000.
Stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up. All the way up.
Notice what an unsure little candle with a short body and what a big bull candle moving up.
Stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up. All the way up.
Yeah, I'm so excited. Everything I have planned for today is working out that way. Repeat after me, be like me, nothing complicated, just remember and repeat the strategy.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up. All the way up.
And now I found a good entry point for you on a suitable currency pair. And so we see that on the RSI accelerator, the price is going down. So we have a downward trend. The price has broken through the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands. And I think this is a good point for a sell entry. So let's also go in at $4,000 for a short profit.
Way up. All the way up.
And let's comment on our final trade. We can see that in this area now I will mark you with arrows. We had a chart consolidation, there we had the expansion of the chart borders. In the low point we had the breakdown of the Bollinger line, so we had a downward trend and we went down. Let's wait for the end of the trade. We can see that there are only seconds left here. We can already take profits in advance. Again, this is very confident, and yes, come on, that's a profit. I'm very happy. What a crazy trade today.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up. All the way up.
See, yes, that RSI chart was going on our lower line. We had a bear candle breakout of the lower Bollinger line. It's very simple. Well, what I can say to summarize today, it turned out that way I had planned and made a good profit with you.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up. All the way up.
Oh guys, $9,660 in trading session. That's what I call professional trading. Meanwhile, $41,000 during my challenge. Keep up the good work. What do you think? Write in the comments. And well guys, everything you need to be good at trading is in the link below this video. As always, Liya with you. See you very soon. Bye bye.